Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to mirror your Android screen to your PC. Go to your web browser. In your web browser, write SiteSync. Click in the first link. Scroll down. Here we can download for Mac, Windows and Google Play. So I am using Windows. I download Windows file. Click on keep downloading. I have already downloaded, so I cancel this. Once you download it, open the file, install it. After install, open it, and now go to your Android screen. In your Android screen, go to your web browser. Right here, SiteSync. Scroll down. Click on this link, uptodown.com. I have already downloaded. Once downloading done, install it and open it. Again, go to your screen, PC screen. Click select to device. Scroll down. With your phone, scan this QR code. Now it's connected. As you can see, it's connected now. Click phone screen to show your phone screen. Here's my phone screen. You can see. Make it full screen. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.